Hi, Lily here, and in this video, we want to talk about what to do when a tenant is not paying the rent. This is a very common and understandable concern for investment property owners, and it's a question we get a lot when we meet with potential clients to sign up their property for management services. At SGI Property Management, we help landlords in the Dallas and surrounding areas navigate challenges like this to keep the property performing how it's supposed to. In our lease agreement, rent is due on the first of the month and it's considered late on the second. We provide easy ways for a tenant to pay rent through our online portal. So there's really no reason for a tenant to pay late, even if the first of the month falls on a weekend or holiday. Late rent is typically due to some type of financial hardship, so our property managers are proactive in following up with the tenant to see if and when they're planning to pay the rent. Not all late rent payments are intentional. Sometimes a tenant just forgets, or maybe they mailed a check late. In a worst-case scenario where a tenant is not responding, we will have to send out a certified notice pursuant to Texas landlord-tenant law. The tenant then has 3 days to pay rent before we will have our attorney schedule a hearing with the courts to obtain a judgment against the tenant for non-payment of rent. Fortunately, Texas is a landlord-friendly state, and the hearing is typically obtained within 10 to 21 days of filing. After a judgment is entered, if the tenant still has not had any contact with us, we are then forced to hire the constable to meet at the property and have the locks changed. The goal is to get back control of the property as soon as we possibly can. It's very important to work with an attorney that specializes in property management to ensure the proper legal requirements are followed. Now, keep in mind, eviction is a last resort, and at SGI Property Management, our eviction rate is less than 1%. Due in large part to our detailed tenant screening process. We don't want evictions, and neither do you. A property management company can help prevent evictions by thoroughly screening tenants, enforcing lease terms, and handling rent collection. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more landlord tips. Thank you for watching.